Today, I'll show you how to export a video with a transparent background. This is especially useful for transitions. First, set in and out marks on your video. Play the video to test it. A black screen indicates transparency. Next, go to File, Export, Media. Change the file name to your preference. Now, update the preset. Click on More Presets. Then search for GoPro. Select the one that says with alpha at maximum bit depth. Click OK, then hit the export button. Once it's exported, let's test the final output. Create a new scene and add 2 videos. We'll insert the transition clip between them. And that's it. We're done exporting our transparent video. Please like and subscribe.